The second step of the installation process is to install a mini dish, in which, firstly, different parts of the reflector assembly are assembled. First of all, let's have a look at the different components of the reflector assembly. The first and the most important component is reflector or mini dish, which receives signal from satellite. Second component is the antenna bracket. Third component is azimuth or elevation bracket. Fourth component is the LNBF, which receives signal that is reflected from a mini dish and sends it to STB through cables. Fifth component is LNBF arm. Sixth component is LNBF clamp. The seventh and last component is LNBF arm caps. To do reflector assembly, firstly take out the components of the reflector assembly. Along with this, also take out the tools needed for this process from the toolkit. Now fix the LNBF arm cap in the LNBF arm. Arm cap prevents water from entering inside during rainy seasons. After this, fit the antenna bracket on the LNBF arm using 2 bolts. Also, ensure that the arrow mark of the antenna bracket is pointed upwards. Now fix 3 bolts on the elevation bracket and remember that these bolts should be tightened only by hands. After this, assemble the elevation bracket with antenna bracket with the help of bolts. In this framework, this bolt will act as a stopper. Now fix the bolt on the directional panel. It is used to set elevation angle along the elevation scale. Take LNBF and fix it to the LNBF clamp using screws. Do not tighten the screws completely. It is important to keep in mind that LNBF should be fixed according to the skew angle of the location where installation is being done. To understand more about skew angle, see basics of skew angle video. Now fix the assembled LNBF to the LNBF arm using bolts. Now, reflector has to be assembled with the LNBF arm assembly with the help of 4 bolts. Fit a screw on any one corner of the reflector and put another screw on the exact opposite corner. Similarly, fit all the screws one by one. Tighten all screws with the help of spanner. The reflector assembly is now ready. After this, we will do mount or mast assembly, which we will learn in next video.